On our entire planet, different diversity of organisms exist. Why do these different exist? The ultimate result of this difference is speciation. Speciation is the formation of new species from the existing ones. What leads to speciation is adaptive radiation. Yes, you have heard the term before, isn't it? In this video, we will learn about this interesting phenomenon in evolutionary biology. Do you know who is the eminent scientist shown in the image? Yes, it is Charles Darwin. Can you say where is Galapagos Island located? Or what about his voyage in HMS Beagle? It was this scientific expedition that led to groundbreaking discoveries. Let's recall an important concept from evolutionary history that Darwin found out in his voyage. The same concept behind speciation. During his voyage, he found an amazing diversity of small black birds, later called Darwin's finches. Look at this image. This is a juvenile small ground finch. Let us look at some other examples too. This is the vegetarian finch, and there are many more finches in this Galapagos Island. From the original seed-eating features to many other forms with altered beak enable them to follow different feeding patterns like seed-eating, insect-eating, and fish-eating, and that too on the same island itself. So, what is the definition of adaptive radiation? It is the process of evolution of different species starting from a point of radiating to other areas in a given geography. Australian marsupials are another known examples. Koalas, sugar glider, Tasmanian devil, and wombats are some of these marsupials. These marsupials are different from each other, but evolved from an ancestor stock, and all that happened in different habitats of the Australian continent. Can you guess what is convergent evolution? When more than one adaptive radiation occurs in an isolated geographical area, it can be called convergent evolution. Placental mammals of Australia also exhibit adaptive radiation. There is a corresponding similarity between marsupials to some of the varieties of marsupials. For example, placental wolf and Tasmanian wolf are marsupials. See the table for more such examples. Now hence, both Australian marsupial and placental marsupial are examples of adaptive radiation and convergent evolution. In this video, we understood adaptive radiation and convergent evolution in a very simple way. Can you now guess some more examples of organisms or species showing adaptive radiation? Let's summarize what we have learned.
Manorama Horizon. Learning made simple.